Good afternoon, dear students. Today we'll discuss about the double implication. This double implications also we call as biconditional. This one we also call as biconditional. So we'll study about this. And for biconditional, we use the symbol two-sided arrow, and the word we use as some statement, IFF, some statement, or we can use some statement if and only if then the statement. So this is something about your biconditional or double implications. Here we define this, the double implication of two statements of two statements is denoted by the symbol this two-sided arrow we can use here. This is the notations we can use, and defined as how will define as will define in this form: P double implication Q is true if both P and Q are true or false, or true or false. And second is false in all other cases. In all other cases. That means P and this P double implication Q is true if both P and Q are true or both P and Q are false. If both are P and Q are same type of truth values, that is true true or false false, then it is true, otherwise it is, in all other cases it is false. So I can take an example here. P is one statement. A triangle is equilateral. A triangle is equilateral. Use one statement. A triangle is equiangular. Equiangular. So we can write its double implication P biconditional Q or double implication Q as a triangle is equilateral if and only if it is equiangular. It is equiangular. So this is the word we have used, if and only. In place of this also we may write if, or this one may be written as P double implication Q. What we can write? A triangle, is equilateral. IFF. In place of if and only if, I may write if IFF if it is equiangular. Okay. So now we have the truth table for this double implication or united bicondition. So here we will do the same process. We can use one column for P, one column for Q, and one another column for P double implication. Since there are two statements, we have four options will come. So we may take true, true, then we may take true, false, false, true, then false, false. Now you see, we can find the values. True, true means both is same. It is true. It is false, false means true. And in all other cases, it will be false, it will be false. This is a truth table of this double implications. Okay. So this is all about your double implication.